Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the Instagram add interested option not working Android or iPhone. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? First, tap add interested option and not working. Okay, go back and first open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram app. Force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, back, call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Open your Google Play Store and search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram and check update your Instagram app. Now tap on the Instagram app and see my Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, go back and open your Instagram. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.